In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix blurry profile picture on Instagram. Let's get started. First up, make sure you are using the correct image size. Instagram compresses images, so you need to upload in the right dimensions. Don't upload smaller images, they will get stressed and blurry. Upload a high quality image. Use a high resolution image, at least 1080 into 1080 before resizing. Avoid screenshots or images sent by WhatsApp as they lose quality. Edit your image in a photo editor like Photoshop, Canva, or Snapseed. Every time you download and re-upload an image, it loses quality. Always upload the original photo, not one saved from Instagram or sent via messaging apps. Likewise, Instagram's data saver can make images appear blurry. Turn off data saver mode. For that, head over to Settings and Privacy, click on the option Data Usage and Media Quality and turn off data saver. Upload via Wi-Fi, not mobile data. Instagram compresses images more aggressively on slower connections. Try uploading while connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. Upload your profile picture directly from the Instagram app, not through third-party schedulers or web browsers. And that's it. These are some fixes for blurry profile picture on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.